Hello, my name is Milind Baviskar. So today's video topic is what is JVM. So JVM is basically Java virtual machine. So JVM is that important in Java programming? So answer is yes. Without JVM, we cannot execute the bytecode. So basically, we call the JVM as a heart of the Java programming. Java programming, JVM act as a runtime engine to run Java applications. JVM is one that actually calls the main method present in the Java code. JVM is a part of a JRE, which is a Java runtime environment. Java applications are called Aura. So what is Aura? Aura is a write once, run anywhere. This means a programmer can develop Java code on any system and can expect it to run on any other Java inbuilt system without any adjustment. This is all possible because of JVM. When we compile a Java file, class files contains bytecode with the same class names present in Java file are generated by the compiler. These class files goes into various steps when we run it. These steps together describe the whole JVM, like class loader, JVM. So there is a method area, then it goes to the execution engines, and then after it goes to the native method, and then native method interface. So there is a class loader subsystem in Java. So it's mainly responsible for three activities. So first one is loading, second one is linking, and the third one is the initialization. So what is loading? So basically loading is the class loader reads the class file, generates the corresponding binary data and save it in the method area. For each class file, JVM stores the following information in the method area. So the fully qualified name of the load classes and its immediate parent class. Next one is the whether class file is related to class or interface or enum. Third one is the modifier, variables, method information, etc. So after loading the class file, JVM creates an object of a type class to represent this file in the heap memory. Please note that this object is of type class predefined in Java language package. This class object can be used by the programmer for getting class level information like the name of the class, parent name, methods, and variable information. So to get this object reference, we can use get class method of object class. So basically there is a next one is a linking. Linking is a performance verification, preparation, and optional resolution. So verification, what is verification? It ensures the correctness of the class file, that it checks the whether this file is properly formatted or generated by a valid compiler or not. If verification fails, we will get a runtime exception. Thank you.